Good Midwest morning, everyone. This is Nicole, your mobile blogger for TOCtown.com. Just have a question for you this morning. Wanted to know, have you ever run into that client, or have you been that customer who had a lot of things to get done, but you lacked the funds or the funding in order to make it happen? Well, one of the ways that I've been able to achieve a lot of the work that I've been able to accomplish in TOCtown.com was because I used the bartering system. You have to come to a mutual agreement of what is fair. But it is possible to further your skills, gain more access to different equipment that you need in the media, especially when it's social media. Everything is not free and everything is not inexpensive. So stay tuned as we talk about it for the next webinar, the next workshop, and even offer some online on-site tutorials. Take care.